As-built survey at Goyal Kitchen Equipments, Vartur, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, the team from Scon Design India Pvt Ltd successfully completed an as-built survey and drawing project for our valued client Goyal Kitchen Equipments, located on Vartur Road, Bangalore. An as-built survey is one of the most important stages before renovation, expansion, or redesign. It captures the exact dimensions and existing site conditions, ensure that every drawing reflects the actual structure with high accuracy. For this project, our survey team used professional measurement equipment including a laser distanceometer, measuring tape, and other precision tools to record every wall, partition, opening, column, and service location. Every measurement was carefully verified to eliminate error and maintain engineering accuracy. Once the site measurement were completed, our engineering team converted all the collected field data into accurate 2D CAD as-built drawings. These drawings help the client plan future kitchen layout, equipment installation, fabrication, and renovation work without unexpected site issues. At Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, we provide reliable and accurate surveying solution for commercial, industrial, residential, and infrastructure projects. Our services includes as-built surveys, building measurement survey, architectural drawings, land surveys, 3D laser scanning, BIM modeling, topographical survey. Accuracy, quality, and timely deliver are our highest priorities. Every project is executed by experienced professional using modern surveying technology to ensure the best result for our clients. We sincerely thanks Goyal Kitchen Equipments for trusting Scon Design India Pvt Ltd with this project. We look forward supporting them in their future engineering and survey equipments. If you are looking for professional survey services anywhere in India, feel free to contact Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more project updates, engineering videos, and survey solutions. Thank you for watching and see you in next project.